Good morning, dear children of class 9. I hope you all are fine. In the last video, we had discussed about factorization of the form a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Today we will talk about factorization of trinomials of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers. Now, rule to factorize trinomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers, is you have to split b, that is the coefficient of x. This b you have to split it into two real numbers such that the algebraic sum of these two numbers is b and their product is ac, that is the product of the coefficient of x square, that is a and c. So then you have to factorize by grouping method. So let us see some examples. Now in the first example we have x square minus 7x plus 12. So we have observed that the middle term is minus 7x and the last term is plus 12. We will consider the product of the coefficient of x square, that is 1 and 12. So we are getting plus 12. Now we have to split minus 7 into two numbers such that their sum should be minus 7 and their product should be plus 12. So which are those two numbers? Those two numbers are minus 4 and minus 3, because if you add minus 4 and minus 3 you will get minus 7, which is there in the middle, and if we multiply them we will get plus 12, which we have here as the last term. So we have splitted minus 7x into minus 4x and minus 3x. Now from the first two terms we take x common. So in the bracket we get x minus 4, and from the last two terms we have taken minus 3 common. So in the bracket again we are getting x minus 4. Now from these two terms, this first term and this second term, we again take x minus 4 common. So in the bracket we get x minus 3. So in this way you have to factorize these sums. Now in the next example, see, we have x square minus 11x minus 80. So since the product minus 80 is negative, one number will be positive and the other will be negative. We observe here, and the coefficient of x square is 1. So we multiply 1 by minus 80, we get minus 80. Now since minus 80 is negative, so we need two factors of minus 80. So one will be negative and the other one will be positive. And now how we will decide which one will be negative and which one will be positive? So we will look at the middle term. So middle term is minus 11x. So the greater number should be negative and the smaller number should be positive. So we have splitted minus 11x as minus 16x plus 5x, because minus 16 plus 5 will give us minus 11 and minus 16 into plus 5 will give us minus 80. Now see, you take x common from these first two terms, so you get x minus 16 in the bracket. From last two terms we get plus 5 common, so x minus 16 we get in the bracket. Now from these two terms we take x minus 16 common, so we get x plus 5 in the second bracket. In this way you have to factorize. See some more examples. So here we have the coefficient of x square as 2. So 2 into minus 5 will give us minus 10, and we have the sum as plus 9 in the middle. So we have to find two numbers. Now what will be those two numbers? Those two numbers will be plus 10 and minus 1, because when we add them then we get plus 9, which we have it in the middle, and when we multiply plus 10 and minus 1 we get minus 10. So here plus 9x we have splitted it as plus 10x minus x. This is the breakup. So now we will take common. So from the first two terms we have taken 2x common. In bracket we get x plus 5. From the last two terms we have taken minus 1 common. So we get x plus 5 in the bracket. Now from this term and this term we have taken x plus 5 common. So we get 2x minus 1 in the bracket. In the last example we have minus 7x square minus 4x plus 3. So minus 7 will be multiplied by plus 3, we get minus 21, and we have sum as minus 4 in the middle. So what will be the two numbers? The two numbers will be minus 7 and plus 3, because when we add them we get minus 4, and when we multiply them we get minus 21. So the breakup of minus 4x will be minus 7x plus 3x. Now we will take common. From the first two terms we have taken minus 7x common, so in bracket we get x plus 1, And from last two terms we have taken plus 3 common, so we get x plus 1 in the bracket. Now from this term and this term we have taken x plus 1 common, so we get minus 7x plus 3 in another bracket. So the factors are 3 minus 7x and x plus 1. In this way you can go through some more examples given in your textbook ICSE Understanding Mathematics book 9 by M.L. Agarwal before you practice the sums from exercise 4.4. Thank you.